Hey guys, it's Rock'em Diesels here, and it's about time we get to them fuel lines. So, what I did actually, there was a hose clamp right here. Yeah, this one right here. Fuck again. Yeah, you guys can see. Okay, hose clamp was up there, and it's like a small Synflex hose that goes into this nylon hose, and you just pull it out. And make sure you also clamp. Check up here. Clamp that hose, or else just fuel's gonna be pissing and pissing out. Like fucking did. I filled two. That's my second. Well, actually, no, I lied. Three of these. What a fucking waste of fuel, man. When I didn't have a chance to work on it. So, gonna be replacing this. I need to get some unions for steel on steel. I received the wrong ones for steel on steel fuel lines, because over there, all the way by the engine, that's where we're gonna cut, because it's not rotted no more, and that's where I want to connect it. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna flare it, if I have to flare it or not, depending what unions I'm gonna get. But at least here we're gonna use these barb fittings and compression on the other side, so I don't need to flare. You don't need to flare a steel line, which it's actually not that bad. Like, I mean, I got the kit and I know how to do it, but I'm not sure how these will last too. I know flaring it seals really well, so yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Alright, so change of plans actually. The bar fitting I showed you was too small for in there, but the wrong fittings I talked to you about, I think they're gonna work without even flaring, because this piece, the ferrule end, will go on the steel line, and this is actually made for Synflex, which that's what I have right here. So I'll cut this chunk, split in two, and use it for both sides while I replace my whole steel line up to the front. So I don't need to flare. I'll use these fittings, and I'm golden. Yeah. Alright. So cut this piece. Probably get a better blade. Holy shit, ooh, squirts. There. Now, leave that up there for now. Ugh. And cut this. Cut this piece in half. About something like that. There. Stuff this back in up here. Oh, fuck it. Like that. It's not bad. And we'll put new hose clamps. Yeah. Alright. Yes, sir. there, we'll tighten it a bit more. I think that should be good. Okay, I'll go cut the end at the front. And I'll yank this piece out. So, yeah. Alright guys, so I removed the fuel line. And I hooked up back this piece of Synflex. I hooked up the union, the Synflex end, and the other crimp end for the steel fuel line. And same thing here. I used the steel fuel line part for there. Add this piece of Synflex, and I'm gonna add my new steel fuel line to here. And in order to cut it, got these small pipe cutters. Actually, just twist the end as you turn around, and makes a nice clean cut. So yeah, I'll get out. I'll show you the fuel line there. Alright. So this is the new stuff. 5/16. I got it right now. Okay. And this is what was on before. The guy I bought it from tried to fix it with the just flex hose. I remember he told me to, when this fails, to replace it with all flex hose, but I didn't want to. Actually, I know it'll wobble all over and stuff like that. It'll more prone to rub out. I mean, obviously it won't rust, but I mean, it's got its pros and cons. So I'll measure this. I think a little bit shorter with this because the extended piece of flex hose. Yeah, and yeah, I'll show you after. All right, so I'm trying to straighten out my fuel lines now, the new one, and I just wanted to show you this fuel line, brake line bender. So I'll try to film it. It's not mine actually, it's my buddy's from work, and it's the first time I'm using it. He has in a couple of years he hasn't used it, and this is the first time. So I'll try to show you real quick there. So basically, there's different size pucks. You got 3/8 on one side and 5/16 on the other side, and quarter and 3/16. So you can tell. See, one side's bigger, and after it goes smaller. So it's pretty neat and easy. It prevents you from kinking your line. Oh shit, not this side, the other side. Bear with me, it's kind of fucking tricky. It's tricky. Try to do that one hand, but I'll try. Put this like that. Right. So you want to get your line into the grooves, like so. I'm gonna do it with my foot there, fuck. And just bend it just a bit. Okay, sorry. Now just bend it just a bit. Fuck. It's kind of hard. Hold on there. Let's see if I can prop it. Okay, hope you guys can see. So, got in the grooves, like so. Just, it's a little stiff actually. It's a little fucking stiff. But, yeah, a little bit. It works. It works. Getting there slowly but surely. There. Kind of bent it a bit. See, yeah, it's about there, give or take. So, yeah, we'll try that. Sorry for the poor example there, but yeah, it's not bad when you do it two hands or it's all right. I mean, this tool is brand new, so it's still a little bit stiff, but yeah, man, for sure recommend those instead of try to find a way and then you kink your line and you gotta recut or yeah. So. Alright, so here's kind of the finished product. It's a little glary, sorry. Yeah, union along with the clamps on the side of the frame through here. I'm probably gonna zip tie it here. I put some room so just in case it rubs. Here, probably do something about it here because it's pretty loose, and then goes onto the lift pump. So I'll try prying it and starting it, and hope there's no leak. And yes, I did remove my vice grip that was clamping that hose over there, so don't forget that.
Oh. Le tien.
Alright, so got it running after priming it for a while. Let's see if there's any leaks.